So first one is Tratak. We often do. Second one is Kapalabhati. Every day we are doing that. So these are all cleansing techniques which cleans your internal system completely. So Kapalabhati, Tratak, Neti, Dhoti, Basti, Noli. Noli. So these are the 6 major Shatkaram technique which are mentioned in Hatha Yoga Pradipika. Hatha Yoga Pradipika is written by Swami Swatmaramji. Okay, Swatmaramji. Then here in Tratak, see what we are trying to do when we do Tratak. First is Drashti Sanchalan, that is eye movements. So we'll do all different variations of eye movement. We have 6 major muscles in our eye, right, which function properly if you take care of your eye, right. So the problem is we are not taking care of our eye. Care to chhodi do. We are even damaging them completely because of the lifestyle and because of the job profile. Screen ke samne we will be there for 12, 18 hours, right, constantly gazing at the screen. So what is happening is it restricts our movements, makes the vision blurry, and after some time only, like if you look for 1 hour and then try to look outside, you won't be able to see clearly the things. It will be completely blurry, right. So this is the major reason nowadays youngsters, the working population, the working people are facing. Then one more very, very important thing is about the Tratak is, see, eyes, most complex part of our body, but very easy to maintain if we take care on the daily basis. First thing what we need to do is, see, our sages were very smart. They know how to control the mind, because mind is very subtler part. Mind को control करना आसान नहीं है, right? लेकिन किसको control करना आसान है? जो mind से directly connected है. तो 2 things they found majorly, breath and eyes. So if you can control your eyes, you can control your mind directly. And if you can control your breath, you can control your mind directly, right? So this is one thing. Then second thing is, there is one saying, eyes are soul of the, what is that? Windows of the soul, correct. So eyes are the windows of the soul. So if you can just look at the eye of a person, you can understand about the person itself. सीधे आप पता लगा सकते हैं, थोड़ा सा भी आपको knowledge है तो you can get to know about the person. पूरा, हाँ. So that is the other thing. Little small facts I will give you. Our eyes, God ने design कैसे किया है पता है? You can distinguish between 10 million colors. 10 million colors you can easily distinguish. Then 576 megapixel is the resolution. कोई कैमरा इतना अच्छा नहीं बना आज तक. 576 मेगापिक्सल का कोई कैमरा है क्या मार्केट में? नहीं है. मैक्सिमम कितने का है लेटेस्ट? आई डोंट नो, 70-80 का होगा अगर होगा तो. 576 मेगापिक्सल का कोई कैमरा नहीं है. लेकिन क्या इस विल नॉट वर्क? हाँ. कि वो एक्चुअल में होता नहीं है. सो आईज का एक और फैक्ट है आई का कि आईज जो है, लाइक दे आर द ओनली ऑर्गन वेयर यू डोंट नीड टू बी क्लोज टू द ऑब्जेक्ट. है क्या? आपको तारे देखने के लिए क्या तारों के पास जाना पड़ता है? You can easily see stars from millions, like lot of distance is there, infinite distance. But still you can see stars, you can see moon, you can see sun. Is it Hanita? हाँ. So we can see without being close to the object. Rest all sense organs का ये है क्या? किसी को टच करने के लिए पास ही जाना पड़ेगा, कुछ स्मेल करने के लिए पास ही जाना पड़ेगा. हाँ वही, सुनने के लिए, स्मेल करने के लिए, सुनने के लिए भी एक रेंज है. So there is one range. So range is there for every other sense organ except for the vision. Vision के लिए कोई range नहीं है. If the object is at infinity also you can see. So the range of eye is what? Till infinity you can see clearly, right? That is one major fact about eye. एक और major fact है eye का कि eyes जो हैं, their muscles are completely like working throughout. They can work with 100% efficiency without getting what? Without getting रेस्ट नहीं भी मिले तो भी वो आप, व्हेन यू स्लीप आल्सो इफ यू हैव ऑब्जर्व, आपकी आई बॉल्स मूव करते रहते हैं. वो बोलते हैं ना रैपिड आई मूवमेंट एंड आई मूवमेंट्स, दे कीप ऑन लाइक. सो आई मसल्स की एफिशिएंसी इतनी अच्छी है, पर हम लोग क्योंकि अपने रॉन्ग हैबिट से, रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिसेस से वी मेक अवर आई, लाइक वी डैमेज अवर आई कंप्लीटली. धीरे धीरे ऐसा ही होता है. सो दोस, अब नाउ देयर प्रिकॉशंस में सबसे पहला एक ही प्रिकॉशन है यहाँ पर, जिनको एपिलेप्सी की प्रॉब्लम है. For them it is not recommended, right? Rest all can do. One more precaution is there, those who are suffering from this what you call insomnia problem or anxiety problem, ठीक है. They should not do just before sleeping. वो कर सकते हैं लेकिन सोने के तुरंत पहले नहीं. Got it? So you just give a gap, 2-3 घंटे का gap दो सोने से पहले. Then you can do this. So so Malasan में please, those who are young all be in Malasan only. Pay नहीं. So next thing is, so the little precautions. Best timing of Tratak is early morning only when it is dark, and evening also when it is dark. That is the best time for the Tratak. What all benefits you will have after doing this Tratak? Tratak करने के बाद first thing is focus, concentration, memory, and your brain cells will be always alert and active. Direct connection है ना, कुछ चीजों का direct connection है. Cranial nerves आपने पढ़े हैं ना? Cranial nerves, and what are the other nerves, Yashi? ताजे तो वही है. Peripheral nerves, भूलना नहीं है बेटा. Cranial nerves and peripheral nerves. Peripheral nerves arises from spine. Cranial nerves directly यहीं से brain में चले जाते हैं. 12 हैं cranial nerves, right? Directly they are connected. वो spine से, eyes का कोई connection spine से है क्या? That eyes. No, eye connection is not through the spine. It is directly through the directly optical lobe. Okay, so like that is a science part. Will not enter into that. So यहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा आपको ध्यान देना है कि eyes से क्या होगा, focus बढ़ेगा, concentration बढ़ेगा, memory बढ़ेगी, mind control होगा. Those who are like they get agitated in small things. पानी नहीं मिला तो गुस्सा हो गए, खाना नहीं मिला तो गुस्सा हो गए, शर्ट का एक बटन टूट गया तो गुस्सा हो गए. Means they are ready to be angry always. राइट. सो एंग्जाइटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, परेशानी बहुत ज़्यादा है, थोड़ी थोड़ी बातों में परेशान हो जाते हैं, मूड स्विंग्स बहुत ज़्यादा हैं. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स कंप्लीटली सबसाइड इफ यू प्रैक्टिस दिस त्राटक फॉर मिनिमम ऑफ 1. हर बात पे मतलब दे सर्च फॉर किस चीज़ पे गुस्सा हो जाए हम. सो दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर नॉट गुड. एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर योर ओन सेल्फ. सो त्राटक हेल्प्स हियर अलॉट. बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है यहाँ पर. जिसको नींद नहीं आ रही है रात में, बहुत सारे थॉट्स, मल्टीपल थॉट्स, कीप ऑन रनिंग, कोई मतलब नहीं है, मतलब देयर इज नो, बोलते ना सर पैर कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर भी वो थॉट्स आ रहे हैं जा रहे हैं, एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू डू वट एवर यू वांट. So this is one thing of need to remember. First one is normal focusing on the flame, right? Second thing is intensive focusing. Intensive focusing will come the center of the flame, near to the wick. Wick is this part. Okay, so इस part को यहाँ पर आपको focus करना है completely on the center of the flame, very close to the wick, darker part of the flame. That will be the darker part of the flame. That is second stage. Third stage is actually defocusing. Defocusing means now what we are trying to see is, we are trying to see the aura of the flame, we are trying to see the color of the flame, we are trying to see if any mild particles, suspensions are there, all those things. So we are taking our attention from the flame to the other characteristics of the flame. That is defocusing. And fourth thing is complete silence. That is a part of samadhi. That will take you into some other state. Okay, so you need to understand the four things. First is focusing, intensive focusing, then defocusing, and then fourth stage is complete silence. I will keep on giving the instructions, so don't worry, you will understand what to do. Then variation of palming. Okay, normal palming we are doing every day, like rubbing, generating the heat. Make a cup like this. So cup kaisa banana hai? Like this, and you need to place like this. Your eyeball should be somewhere here. So when you keep on your eyes, even if after opening the eyes also, you should see the darkness. Just check it. ऐसा पूरा रखना है. And even if you are opening the eyes, you are not able to see even the small light. That should be the position of your palm. Got it? So इस तरह से ऐसे नहीं रख, ऐसे fingers पे रखेंगे तो you can see. It should be like this, completely covering your eyeballs, but not touching. Palm should not touch at all. ये थोड़ा और ऊपर रखना पड़ेगा, ऐसा करके ऐसा. This is not palming position. Any doubt in this? No. Then palming is also of different types. First palming is normal palming we are doing. Second palming is pressing gently with inhalation, and that is compression and relaxation palming. So what we are doing, we are pressing gently, inhale, loosening it, exhale. So that is compression and relaxation palming, right? Then next palming is constant pressing palming. So you are pressing constantly and inhaling, exhaling. Okay, 5 rounds we'll do in between this when we do eye exercises and in between the Tratak. So it's very, very important. Between the Tratak, we should do these palmings. And fourth variation of palming is palming with Bhramari Pranayam. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are keeping our eyes, palms like this, and then we will inhale. Like that. आंख बंद रहेगी, लेकिन पोजीशन ऐसा रहना चाहिए कि when you open your eyes also it should be completely dark. Yeah, I will give you the instructions. Eyes will be closed. I will keep on, see, these all things you should know, terms you should know, because I will be telling the terms. Compress and release palming or constant press palming. So these instructions I will be giving you. If you don't know what to do, then what you will do. That's why it's important to tell you what we should do. Got it? Any doubt? Step I told you. So we need to enter into the fourth step. First one is focusing. Second one is intensive focusing. Third one is defocusing. And fourth one is complete silence. Mind will be a little bit wandering right here and there. But as we enter deeper and deeper and deeper, you will start that you are becoming complete thoughtless. Yes, that is only what we need. That's what is the samadhi state. When your identity itself is gone, you will merge with the object you are focusing. So completely seer, seeing and seen all become one, complete. That is the state where we want to, like we are leading to that only, where seer, seeing and seen all becomes completely one. It will come with the practice.